Honey is the best, honey is the best. Aatakaina paatakaina honey is the best. Honey is the best, honey is the best. Ila kotti vennu tattu honey is the best.
I think it's also very important to have faith and trust your child in what they want to do rather than because like that way I'm very very thankful to my mother in both me and my brother's case. Like, what are the chances? Both siblings with absolutely no background on acting.
Yeah, there
we
is
don't
no
come from a film
godfather,
family,
there is
nothing.
nothing.
But she having that faith and she shifting her base to Bombay just for our dream. I feel like parents, yes, like they should also support their child.
She raised you, right?
I know another Telugu parent who are Avantika. She's doing so well. She's working in Hollywood as well. They live in California. I think we are in touch with them because she also worked in my first film, and my mom and her mom, they are friends now. Even like for a Telugu girl also, like even like for Punjabis, yes, now there are a lot of actresses who are Punjabis, but for even Telugu, very few girls are in acting. The families allow. But this one, like this mother, I have seen they go all, both the parents, they go all out to just like be there for their daughter and help her. And today she's in Hollywood. She's doing so well.
Yep.
So I think it's like breaking so many
barriers,
exactly.
thought processes, and difficulties.
Yeah. So I think it's also to the parents. You should support your child in what they want to do because
that's a great message. Believe your child can do it and support them. Mothers out there, those who believe that you raise them right, let them fly. Mothers out there, those who have you have a child who is shining and flying, and be there to support them. And I think this is a phenomenal. I can sit here and talk to you for hours.
Firstly, thank you so much for having me here. It was such a pleasure. I think we have covered all the topics, everything we've spoken about. I just want to say that thank you so much for giving me so much love and always being there for me. It really means a lot to me, and I will try my level best, just like how I have been in entertaining you and making you proud. And thank you so much. I love you all. I do have another listener added to Swara Pandya now.
No, I think thank you so much for all of you to came and join us physically, and it is a journey, and not to commercialize or not to this very special, very memorable event for me particularly, is that we also want to create a platform for every rising child who has a talent, who can sing, who can dance, who can write poems, who can write songs, anything related to the culture. This platform is so profound. We are going to represent, manage, curate, nurture this young talent and position them and to represent them. That is one of the primary reasons for Swara. But also because it has audio, video in the form of magazine and 24/7 radio and video production and everything else, and that would be great. And I personally, from all Sacramento Telangana Association and the Sacramento Telugu Association and Sacramento Indian Association, we would wish you very, very best. May the universe and the forces will take you to the highest position that you deserve, and you be the diamond and shine forever. And you be the diamond forever.
Thank you.
Thank you, Marin.
So one word about Swara app. I just happened to see it. I think it's very, very progressive for its time, and no wonder that's why it's just 18 countries. I think you're going to gain many listeners and readers in many more countries, and I'm so happy to be a small part in this. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You never know. You may start with like a drop and you may become a small river into it.
Yes.